everybody! Let's learn about cars. We see cars on the roads everywhere. We travel to different places on cars. I know y'all want to know more about cars. Here, we have taken the good old American car, Ford Mustang. Take a look at this car. There are several models in this car, and we have chosen to show you just one of them. Let's separate the parts of this car. That's the main body of the car. All parts are attached to this main body. The most important part of a car is its engine. Let's take a look at the engine. We have different types of engines, but they all do the same function. They are used to move the car in different directions at different speeds. Take a look at the wheels. The engines make the wheels to move. If you need to stop the wheels, you need brakes. Take a look. For a smooth ride of the car, the wheels are connected with a spring mechanism known as suspension. Usually, but not in all cars, the back side of the car has a separate space called the trunk. You keep large size belongings in the trunk. Let's look at the inside of the car. There are seats for us to sit comfortably when we ride. To change the direction of the car, we have a circular part called the steering. To increase the speed, the driver will need to press the accelerator. If the driver wants to stop or reduce the speed of the car quickly, the driver presses the brake pedal. There's a gear that helps when you change the speed or direction. The gear and its mechanism are connected to the wheels. We see car doors that can swing at the sides to help people enter and exit the car comfortably. Let's put these parts back on and assemble the car. Well, we have a car again. Let's take the car for a test drive around. Hope you liked it.